Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Hendro Prasetyo from PSI University, from the Information System Study Program, and from class 19.1A.21. And my study number is 1924021 and 7. In this video, I will give my opinion about the result match between Indonesia versus Bahrain. As we know, the result of the match between Indonesia versus Bahrain, which ended 2-2 at the Bahrain National Stadium, is still a hot topic of conversation for Indonesian football fans. Apart from the draw achieved by the Indonesian national team, there were also several controversial incidents which caused the Indonesian national team to fail to get 3 points. One of them was several decisions by referee Ahmed Alkaf, which were detrimental to the Indonesian national team. When the match entered extra time, it appeared that the extra time given was 6 minutes and Indonesia was leading with a score of 2-1. When the time reached the 96th minute, referee Ahmed Alkaf did not blow the long whistle to signal the end of the match. As a result, in the 99th minute, Bahrain managed to score the second goal and make the final result 2-2. This controversial decision made referee Ahmed Alkaf hated by all Indonesian football fans. Even though the results were less than satisfactory, I am very grateful to all the players who gave their best game. And that's my opinion about a result of the match between Indonesia versus Bahrain. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hendro Prasetyo from PSI University. I'm from Information System Study Program and I'm from class in 19.1A.21 and my number student is 1924021 and 7. I will present about the question word. What is a question word? Apa itu kata tanya? Question word are function words that can be used to ask open question. Some words such as who, which, or where can also be used to introduce relative clause. Use of the question word. Penggunaan kata tanya. The question word is used. Kata tanya biasanya digunakan to ask question atau untuk mengajukan pertanyaan. Yang kedua, to specific context atau untuk menentukan konteks. Yang ketiga, to indicate how to respond atau bagaimana cara kita untuk merespon. Next, structure of the question word atau struktur kata tanya. Word, question word plus an auxiliary verb, be, do or have, plus subject plus main verb or with, question word plus a modal verb plus subject plus main verb. How many of question words and what? Ada berapa kata tanya dan apa saja? The question word consists of a W plus one H, or what, who, and whom, where, when, why, which, whose, and how. The first, what. We use what when we want to ask about things and action. Kita menggunakan kata tanya apa di saat kita akan menanyakan tentang sesuatu ataupun tindakan. Contohnya seperti what is your name? Siapa namamu? And what kind of music do you like? Dan apa musik kesukaanmu? Next, who. We use who when we want to ask about people. Atau kita menggunakan kata tanya siapa untuk menanyakan kepada seseorang. Contohnya, who is that? Siapa dia? Who is coming to the party? Siapa yang akan datang ke pesta? Next, whom. We use whom when we want to ask about people. Kita menggunakan kata tanya whom di saat kita akan menanyakan orang. For example, whom is he talking to? Dengan siapa dia bertanya? Dan whom did you go with the last night? Dengan siapa kamu keluar saat malam kemarin? Apa perbedaan who dan whom? Kalau who untuk menanyakan orang tapi subjek, dan untuk whom itu untuk menanyakan orang tapi dia sifatnya objek. Next, where. We use where when we want to ask about place. Kita menggunakan kata tanya di mana saat kita menanyakan tempat. For example, where do you live? Di mana kamu tinggal? Where do you study? Di mana kamu belajar? Next, when. We use when we want to ask about time, occasion, or moment. Kita menggunakan kata tanya kapan untuk menentukan waktu, peristiwa, ataupun sebuah momen. For example, when is your birthday? Kapan hari ulang tahunmu? When did that happen? Kapan itu terjadi? Next, why. We use why when we want to ask about reason. Kita menggunakan kata tanya kenapa untuk menanyakan suatu keadaan. For example, why are you late? Kenapa kamu telat? Why do you leave me? Kenapa kamu meninggalkanku? Next, which. We use which when we want to ask about choices or preferences. Kita menggunakan kata which saat kita menentukan pilihan ataupun preferensi. For example, which car do you want to buy? Mobil mana yang ingin kamu beli? Dan which drink did you order? Minuman mana yang ingin kamu beli? Next, was. We use was when we want to ask about ownership or possession. Kita menggunakan kata was saat kita akan menanyakan ini milik siapa. Contohnya, whose are these key? Punya siapa kunci ini? Whose laptop did he steal? Laptop siapa yang dicuri? Next, how. We use how when we want to ask about the way in which something happens. Kita menggunakan kata tanya how di saat kita menanyakan sesuatu yang akan terjadi. For example, how are you? Bagaimana keadaanmu? How was your exam? Bagaimana tugasmu? Next, how. With how, there are a number of the other expressions that are used in question. We have how old, how much, how many, how often, how far, and how long. Next, how old. We use how old when we want to ask about ages. Kita biasanya menggunakan how old untuk menanyakan pada seseorang umur. For example, how old are you? Berapa umurmu? Next, how much or many. We use how much or many when we want to ask about number, quantity, or price. Kita menggunakan kata how much and money saat kita menanyakan nomor, quantity, ataupun harga. For example, berapa banyak susu yang kamu minum dan berapa banyak orang yang ada di pesta ini. Next, how often? We use of often when we want to ask about frequency. Biasanya kita menggunakan kata how often atau seberapa banyak saat kita menanyakan tentang suatu frekuensi atau jarak waktu tertentu. For example, how often you drink soda in a week? Seberapa banyak kamu minum soda pada minggu ini? Next, how far? We use how far when we want to ask about distance. Kita biasanya menggunakan berapa jauh untuk menanyakan seseorang tentang jarak. For example, how far is Jakarta from Purwokerto? Seberapa jauh Jakarta dari Purwokerto? Next, how long? We use how long when we want to ask about duration or length. Kita biasanya menggunakan kata berapa lama untuk menunjukkan atau durasi atau berapa lamanya. For example, how long will you spend the holiday? Berapa lama kamu menghabiskan waktu liburmu? I took references from a dictionary.cambridge. Okay, this is my presentation about a question word. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.